Let's go to Ayesha Vardag. She joins us now from central London. Ayesha, thank you for joining us. Let's have a look at the details of this case. Has it actually changed the way that prenups will be treated in the UK?
Yes, effectively. Well, we had a win in the Court of Appeal, which meant that prenuptial agreements were seen as decisive unless there was a very good reason not to apply them. That's been endorsed now, and that's as far as it goes within this country. We now have the decision of the highest court in the land to the effect that a prenuptial agreement will apply unless there's a very good reason not to apply it.
Now, does that mean that we don't need legislation in the UK and that, in fact, it is actually much more in line now with the US and Europe?
This has certainly brought England more into step with the rest of Europe and the US and indeed the rest of the world. Whether we need legislation to address this so that it has the endorsement of Parliament, of our elected assembly, well, it seems that there is a will to have that because the Law Commission is producing its consultation paper. They've awaited the outcome of our case until for doing that, but now it seems that'll go ahead. But the fact that 8 judges in the highest court of the land have taken this decision will, I'm sure, be significant.
Are you expecting, therefore, that many more people in the UK thinking of getting married are going to sign up for prenups, or does it take a while for people's ideas to change because it's not considered very romantic, is it, to have a prenuptial agreement?
There's always that idea that it's not romantic. I think that there will be a slow shift. Within Europe, it's seen as very much a fact of life and quite normal, particularly within money families, that the parties will sort out what's going to happen about finances in advance. That culture is coming in England, and I think as it slowly does, it will actually facilitate marriage, because a lot of individuals who would have avoided marriage because they didn't have to get married and not getting married gave them some protection, will now be able to take that leap, being able to order it with their partners themselves.
OK, Ayesha Vardag, thank you very much indeed for